add a header and footer to your Google Sheets from the print settings. Select File at the top left-hand corner. Then click Print. The print window will appear. On the far right side, select Headers and Footers towards the bottom of the menu box. Then click Edit Custom Fields. A page will appear for you to customize your header or footer. You also have different options appear, such as page numbers, workbook titles, sheet names, date, and time. The same options appear when adding a footer to your sheet. Once you have your header and/or footer, select the blue Confirm button at the top right-hand corner. Then select Next. You can then exit the print menu to continue to edit your Google Sheet.